Been a while since I've done one of these. I'm sitting in the main street of Beaudesert, VK's Cafe here, waiting for Stephen Gall. We're going to go out for an adventure bike ride for the day. Haven't really decided where we're going yet, so join us for a coffee. We'll find out where we're going to go to. Alright, not at VK's. I'm in Boona, so I'm at Flavours Cafe Boona. Let's go see how the excuses go. Come to the wrong cafe. Come to the wrong town. Unbelievable. Alright, let's go get a coffee. Hey mate. What's going on?
We're here.
Hey. So you know Boona and Beaudesert, they're different towns, eh?
Well, I thought you said Boona. I honestly thought you said Boona.
I think I've just learned I've got to text Stephen Gall. I can't ring and leave a message.
I thought you...
Running. So now that we're in the wrong town but the right town, we're going to do Plan B.
Plan B. Where's that take us, Mel?
So Di was walking around the house topless this morning.
Yeah.
It just reminded me of this track I call Twin Peaks.
Oh,
we're going to go do that.
Okay,
So
Twin Peaks. Nice.
do Twin Peaks.
Nice.
Sorry, honey bunny, but I dropped that joke on her at home this morning. She thought it was pretty good.
You get that.
You get that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to a place called, I don't think you've been there, Governor's Chair.
Okay, yeah.
Then
is
we're going
is that up and back?
up and back.
You told me about once before, yeah.
We're going up another one called Waterfall Creek Road. That's also up and back. Then we're going to go do. Have you done Duck Creek Road?
Yeah. I have. I wouldn't mind trying it.
Yeah, we'll go do that. Then we'll drop.
The other street?
Oh come on, mate! I don't know.
Is it called? Here it is.
Then we're going to do Duck Creek Road. Go down to Canungra, have a coffee. See you later.
Well, we're going to go up Duck Creek
Up
Road.
Duck Creek Road. Yeah. Okay, then back down that cool road. Done.
Sounds good.
Righto. Let's go.
Sounds good.
Hey, so you got to get fuel?
Yeah.
Righto. Let's go fuel up. I want to show you this mountain here. It's called Frog Buttress. Have you ever seen this before?
No.
So this mountain here, one of my mates, you know Craig Hale?
Yeah.
He used to be a rock climber, right? He used to travel from Sydney to come here to climb that rock face.
What?
And it's globally known as one of the best rock climbing faces.
Wow.
Yeah,
Really?
it's amazing.
So local. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. Sweet.
Old mate here is going to be on my video channel. Whoever you are. Whoever owns this bike, you're getting a free sticker. I can't give them away, Steve. I actually literally have to give them away. You don't want that piece of shit Harley in the background, do you?
No, I did one without it, and then I'm doing one with it. You know.
All right, let's go up here and have a look. So we got Curtis here from another guy on a bike. Good to meet you, man.
Yeah, likewise.
Yeah.
What are the odds?
What are the odds? This is amazing, eh?
Yeah, it's definitely special.
Hey, for all the boot wearers out there, we're going to do a test. Stephen Gall, Alpine Star guy, Mel Dalton Fly guy. I think we're equal on boot squeak, so Steve's just going to do a little walk. Righto.
Oh, yours are louder.
He reckons mine are louder. I reckon they're equal.
All here, I've had a good life with motorcycling. A number of championships over the years with Mr. Motocross and Australian titles, a couple of Fink titles, and did all pretty good also in midget speed cars. Got one an Australian title there. So I've done a lot of different motorsports, and now I really love my adventure riding. Out here with Mel.
Yeah, awesome. But I'm definitely keen if you guys we can marry up a time at one point in the future.
Yeah.
Sort of that with Mel.
You guys can.
I'm retired now. I'm pretty available. It just depends on what time of year it is and what's going on.
Yeah, okay.
With no knees.
I'm going to go have a crack at this hill here, Steve.
Okay.
So I might get you to... Got in a bit of trouble. I'm trying to get the bike and I'm wrapped in that tree there. Whew. All right, camera mount. All right, I'm stuck around that tree. I've got to get the bike this way.
get my breath back. I'll be there in a sec. Nearly out. Cooking. Lantana. Just gotta get my breath. I'm up. All right, let's get out of here. Fuck. Horrible.
That was an effort, wasn't it?
Fucking hell, man. Broke the clutch lever.
That was a real effort to get it out of there.
Oh, tell ya.
That's one of the most stuck places you've ever been in, is it?
Yeah.
So glad I didn't ride up there.
Amazing countryside, eh?
Oh, yeah. We turn left at the bottom.
No, we don't.
We're going to go right this time.
We go back out, back past the dairy farm, turn right, and we turn off in there.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just yeah, you go out in front for a while, get out of the dust.
Oh, okay.
You know where the dairy farm is, eh?
But we go down and turn left at the bottom, don't we?
Yeah, we turn left at the bottom, we go out through the valley, and then we come to the
Don't we pass the lake on the left?
yeah, and then we come to the dairy farm, big intersection, we turn right at the dairy farm. But anyway, if in doubt, just slow down.
Yeah, I'll good.
Absolutely love the scenery here. So now we're at the intersection of Waterfall Creek Road. We're going up here, top of a range, have a look, do a U, and we come out again.
Sounds good, Mel. It's
Yeah.
the scenery out here is awesome. So
Good day, eh?
Really enjoying the ride.
There's a fence over my little shortcut over there. I used to jump down the side of the hill. They've put a fence there now.
Yeah, well,
Whoops, it wasn't just me, someone else was doing it as well. All right, let's go have some fun. I'm going to get the drone out. Watch this when I retrieve the drone. Watch this.
There she goes.
Back in. Drone shot.
His name, I'd know it, but
So you enjoy that ride?
oh mate, it's been great. It's been awesome. Great views, great weather today. We'll finish off with some nice lunch soon, so that'll just top it off.
Yeah, I think so. We were going to do a little bit longer ride because I've kind of broken the clutch lever on the Harley in that little incident.
A little misdemeanor.
Yeah, so I'm going to call it a bit earlier. So we're going to go to Rathdowney or Bowie and get some lunch.
Sounds good.
So I kind of stuffed this up. You can see my clutch lever is bent way down here. It's just on the verge of breaking, so I don't want to go up Duck Creek Road with my clutch like that. I also broke, which I'm sure is not going to be cheap, a bloody high beam switch. Ferg, if you watch this video, I think I need a bigger discount, mate, because that's going to cost me fucking probably the same price of what the bike is. So I know you're going to watch this. Make sure you look after me. Actually, I won't even ring you up for the part until you see this video. Then I'll ring, tell you what part I need. Twin Peaks done. Thanks, Di, for the inspiration this morning. Sorry I can't share my Twin Peak inspiration with everyone out there. Email Di directly, she might be able to help you out. Let's go get some lunch.